here, one of the catch can guys at RX Speedworks. Today we're at Elite Motorworks. Our awesome friends here have allowed us to use their great space to talk to you a little bit about catch cans and answer some frequently asked questions. One of those questions is, how do I connect my catch can if I have a cold air intake? Well, I've got a great piece here to demonstrate that. Pretty simply, a catch can is air in and air out, just like your engine. The engine is clean air in and dirty air out. The catch can is dirty air in and clean out. So on a catch can, on a modern engine, the dirty air is going to come from your PCV valve. From the original manufacturer's design, that's the PCV feeding your blow-by byproduct to the intake manifold. Well, when you hook up your catch can, you're going to utilize the vacuum created by the intake manifold to pull that blow-by byproduct out of the engine into the can. The can's going to scrub it, it's going to keep what it catches, and then it's going to release the clean air back into the engine. Well, you want that catch can to work full time. In order for it to work full time, you need two vacuum sources. One of those is your intake manifold. On your cheaper catch cans, those one in, one out cans, they're only using intake manifold vacuum. So that means that that can really only works at max efficiency during idle. Well, let's go back to the cold air intake question. On a really well-designed catch can, what you want is full-time evacuation. That means you want two vacuum sources. Intake manifold vacuum at idle, and then you're going to utilize the vacuum created by the intake air assembly in front of the throttle body during acceleration. So here's an example. Let's say this is your air box. Here's your cold air intake tube, and of course this leads to the other end leads to the throttle body. That's the business end of things, right? So anywhere in this intake air assembly, you can get vacuum during acceleration. So you can connect at the air box, you can connect in this tube, it really doesn't matter. But to answer your question, sure, if you have a cold air intake, you just want to connect somewhere in this apparatus in order to have vacuum all the time, or full-time evacuation.